Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Lincoln Electric 90 IFC Flux Core Wire Feed Weld-PAK Welder. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Weld Anywhere. Plug in the Weld-PAK 90 IFC wire feed welder anywhere. 120 volt input power is available. It's a versatile, user-friendly welding machine that welds up to 1/4 inch and can be used anywhere, from home workshops to construction sites. Accessories included. The machine comes with a full list of accessories including a welding gun, nozzle, contact tip, work cable, and clamp. Metal case provides protection from the elements. Light and portable. Ideal for maintenance and mobile welders, thanks to its small and lightweight, 15 pounds, inverter design and shoulder strap for portability. A good choice for beginners or anyone looking for an easy-to-use welder. Smooth and easy operation. Has simple control with 2 knobs for wire speed and voltage. Inverter power source makes it more efficient to operate and provides smoother weld characteristics compared to traditional welders. Perfect for small weld jobs. This machine is best for DIY projects, hobbyists, home repairs, and more. Infinite welding voltage allows fine-tuning of weld characteristics. The Weld-PAK 90 IFC welding machine is a lightweight and ultra-portable welder that connects to 120 volt power. This machine is an excellent choice for flux cord welding. The intuitive user interface, easy setup, and full list of accessories permits welding in no time. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.